My name is Douglas Goodrich. My medical issue is that I have bipolar disorder. Yeah, rage issues with bipolar disorder for sure. Um, and then huge spells of depression. For me, like I cycle through probably like 9 to 13 weeks of really depressed states at a time, and then maybe like 3 to 4 weeks of manic states. And it's in manic states that you get super aggro, super angry. I'm just super quick to be happy and super quick to be down. Like, it's an everyday struggle, but like the everyday struggle is like a microcosm of like the larger cycles too. My transcript is riddled with E's, I's, W's, F's, every letter that's not connotated with good marks. Like, it's really tough. I've been in school for like 5 years, and I've had my fair share of needing to drop out of semesters, ask for extensions. Yeah, it's hard to focus. With things like Adderall and the benzos and like painkillers, obviously, there's euphoria and addiction associated with that. And yeah, that's something I've dealt with too, trying to like self-medicate and figure out how to balance my life without the aid of mood stabilizers.
Hi, I'm Catherine D. So I'm a postdoc currently at the biology department. So I do research. So I'm teaching a class right now for psychology called Drugs and Behavior. So it's about mostly the drugs of abuse and the drugs concerned in mental disorders. We know that marijuana can affect us because of these cannabinoids. It turns out we have cannabinoid receptors in our brain and our body. So it turns out that our body can produce endogenous cannabinoids. And so what marijuana does is that they do exactly what the endogenous cannabinoids do, is they bind to these receptors. By binding to these receptors, they can have different effects. So there's the increase in appetite effect, the ability to decrease pain. Because nausea from chemo and loss of appetite from the disease and other drugs, I think it can really help in helping people stabilize symptoms so that they can actually have some quality of life, even with whatever disease they have.
Medicinal marijuana, it's like you treat it when you need to. Lithium is 7 days a week, 24 hours every day.
We don't know everything there is to know, so it might, help with some mental disorders, and, it'll help you relax. It'll definitely, calm you down. Another one of the psychoactive, I guess, effects is that you feel calm, you feel, I guess, at peace almost. For some individuals would do that. So it might be for mitigating those symptoms as well.